Hello, my beautiful friends. I got my spiritual goodies box and I wanted to open it. I also got my wee box from Scotland. This month's theme was Outlander, and I have to say I've never actually watched Outlander. There were cute things in it, though. But this is the unboxing for spiritual goodies. I have the worst allergies, so behind my glasses, my eyes are nearly swollen shut. So, apologize to you for the sniffles, which I have, but I really want to unpack this box, and I have to do it as an unboxing, so this is what you get. I'm going to be pausing a few times so to blow my nose and to wipe my eyes that constantly water. Alright, the theme of this, I'm so excited, is this is the affirmation, I am so loved and supported by the angelic realm. I love angels, so I'm very excited about this box. There's a little card about all the different things, which I'm not going to read right now. And honestly, like, look at that print. Like, I'm probably not going to read it after we're done. I'm going to have to squint like crazy. And then there's a bigger book that has more. Oh, wait, this is the book of stuff. This is all about the different archangels. So I will definitely read that when I can see. All right, what do we have? Oh, we have a little bag. That's pretty. The angel wings embroidered on them. That is very cool. We have Archangel Michael incense. I love Archangel Michael. I love all the archangels. Who am I kidding? Let's see what else we have. We have a thing in a bag. See, there I had to pause to blow my nose, which clearly didn't help. So this looks like an angel dish. Now, some people don't believe in angels. I absolutely believe in angels. I don't think they look the way we think they do. The description in the Bible is very different than the artistic representations that come out of the Renaissance. But no matter what they look like, I think they're real. This is very cool. It's like an angel bowl. I don't know if you burn incense in it. I don't think I'd burn anything in it because it's so pretty. I'd probably put crystals in it. Can you imagine being married and having the angel come down? Be like, by the way, you're having a baby. I always think about that at Christmas time. I'd have been on the floor, hiding in fear. Oh, this is, I don't know what this is. Let's open it and see, shall we? I don't know if it's a gel or a sand or... Oh, it's crystals. And angelite, selenite, and amethyst for guidance. I can't smell a single thing, but it's... I want to say it's probably like some kind of ritual bath. I'm gonna guess that's what this is. We'll find out when we look at the wee bookie, but it's a lot in there, and it's pretty weighty. So that's very cool. What's this? This is... Everything is always so packed well in these boxes, which of course befuddles me because I have to get them out of the packaging. This is an essential oil blend called Zadkiel. That's one of the angels. Probably one of the angels I know the least about. But I'll learn more because there's a wee bookie that tells me more. Oh, Dream Mist. Pillow spray. That's beautiful. To help you connect with the angels while you're dreaming. That's pretty cool. Ooh. This is like a pendulum, I think. This box smells delightful. And then, I mean, I can't even really smell all that well. Oh, this is like a amethyst-filled pendulum. That is very cool. I like pendulums. That is very nice. That's probably what goes in the bag, maybe. Oh, wait, this goes in this little bag. Spiritual people like their little bags. For sure. This is a little cap for the oil. I think that's everything in the box. It would feel like everything in the box. Well, the box smells terrific. And, I mean, I only have maybe 1% of my smell capacity ready or available, so that's pretty awesome. Let's look at the wee book that tells us what the things are, shall we? Archangel Essential Oil Blend. Invoke the Archangels. That's what you do with it. Angel Wings bag. Good place for oracle cards, tarot cards, crystals, ritual tools. Guidance stone chips. The crystal kit contains stones to help your connection with the angelic realm. That was, I think, this. Guidance stone chips. Yes, these are chips, so I'm so glad I read that because I would have put it in the bathtub. You can put them on your altar wherever you want. Amethyst and clear quartz pendulum. Archangel incense sticks. Pillow mist. Angel wings dish. And then, as you know, they have lots of information, lots of things that you can read, which I will read when I can actually see again. So, I love Spiritual Goodies. It's a fantastic box, and this one is very exciting. Everything is so well packaged. Like, they put plastic around the tops of the bottles so they don't leak into the bag, which is fantastic. And, this is very cool. Very excited for it, and I will definitely use things when I'm feeling a little bit better and I can actually smell and appreciate what it is I'm smelling. So I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.